Hi, my name's Simon from Motodrome, and today we're going to take a walk around and a drive of this 1962 Land Rover Series IIa 109 2.25 petrol with galvanised chassis, which, as you can see, I haven't shut the driver's door properly on in the background. So we're going to take a walk around and a drive of it, two separate videos. Hope you like them. Okay, let's take this 1962 Land Rover Series IIa 109-inch 2.25 petrol with galvanised chassis and overdrive for a spin. I've just done a few miles on it. Starts on the button, drives nicely. Even the heater works actually, which is quite nice. Now the camera is mounted on the left hand side window, so you may get some rattling and stuff and the camera moving about a bit because the two-piece doors on these are slightly flexible at the top, but can't do anything about that, I'm afraid. So anyway, showing 16,000 miles. That I'm sure is 116,000 miles. It has had the engine replaced with a later Series 3 engine at some point in its life, but it does seem to be a healthy, nicely set up one. Anyway, all light comes on as it should. Sorry, ignition light comes on as it should. Oil light doesn't, mind you, but don't think we've got a problem with oil. Starter button is there. Nice sounding engine, starts nicely whether it's hot or cold. It is now hot. And brake off. And off we go. This one does actually feel all of a piece. It has been, I think in 2013, rebuilt around a galvanised chassis, so it does drive rather nicely, unlike some older ones that drive like a bunch of rivets in formation, should we say. Still got its proper gearbox with synchro only on the third and fourth. But the steering's very good, it's not wandering all over the road the way that some of them do. One thing I do want to try is when I came out in it first thing this morning, it hadn't been driven for a little while and it did pull to the right on the braking, but try again that. It does still pull to the right slightly on the braking. We're going to have, it's been MOT continuously, this one. So we're going to set it with 12 months MOT, so that will need to be sorted at MOT time. Now it has got overdrive, this one, unlike most of them. It's a mechanical overdrive, so no problem with it going in and out. But it does whine a bit when it's in overdrive. I'll put it in a minute and get on the floor. They all do. It's a design for overdrive. You may be able to hear a slight difference in the sound, a bit more of a whine from the gearbox to go with all the other whines. Rides quite nicely for a leaf sprung one. Not too harsh. You will get some rattles and squeaks and stuff, that's what you're hearing. No signs of any misfiring, hesitancy or overheating. Again. Yeah, it is pulling slightly to the right. Brakes properly, but it is just drifting to the right a bit, so that will need to be attended to. Aside from that, it works really well. I'm saying you haven't actually got the working heater on this one. Overdrive. stop nicely. Just does pull slightly to the right under braking. So I think there we have it. Not much more I can say. It drives really well. My name's Simon. You can reach me in the office on 0118 907 1495. Or you can go to our website, which is www.moto-drone.com. Okay, quick video of the engine running while it's warm on this Series IIa 109-inch 2.25 petrol. Running sweetly. I'll show you a bit of the bulk here. Running quite sweetly, as I say. There we have it.